Good morning, students. In the last video, we had discussed about question number 3rd and 4th of exercise 3.4. And 5th and 6th question I gave you in homework. Here we will start with question number 7. Read out the question from the book where it is been given that Yamini and Fatima, they contributed some amount of money towards the relief fund of earthquake. And we have to form a linear equation on given information and even draw the graph. So suppose the contribution of Yamini is rupees X and that of the contribution of Fatima is rupees Y. As per given, both contributed rupees 100. Together both of them contributed 100. So the linear equation which satisfies the given information may be X plus Y equals to 100. It may be that Yamini might have given 30, then while Fatima have contributed 70. It may be that both of them gave rupees 50-50 and it came out to be 100. But in short, the sum, the total amount of contributed by both of them came out to be 100. So this is the equation which satisfies the given information. Now we have to find solution because we have to draw the graph. So taking the contribution of Yamini to be 0, Fatima will be giving the contribution of rupees 100, and taking the Fatima's contribution as 0, Yamini is giving total amount as 100. Suppose both of them contributed 50-50. Rather 2 points are enough to draw the graph, but third we have taken. Now from this particular coordinates, X and Y coordinate, you try to draw the graph on your own. This was an easy graph, that's why I have not shown on the board. Now let us come for question number 8, where they have given a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Fahrenheit and Celsius, these are the two degrees to measure temperature. Here the equation is F equals to 9 upon 5 into C, where C is the Celsius, plus 32. Fahrenheit will be getting converted into, Celsius will be getting converted into Fahrenheit when it is being multiplied by 9.5 and the multiplication product is added to 32 is added to 8. Now they have given sub questions in this particular main question. For the first, they have told us to draw the graph, taking Celsius on the x-axis and Fahrenheit on the y-axis. For drawing the graph, we need at least minimum 2 solutions. So I have taken C equals to 0. Directly first as 0, Celsius equals to 0. When Celsius C is equals to 0, I will get 9 upon 5 into 0 plus 32. Where this term will come out to be 0. So Fahrenheit will come to be 32. Now let us take C equals to minus 40. By looking at the equation, you just judge out and see that the value of C can be taken as multiple of 5. So that it can be easily cut and we can get a whole number. Rather than fraction, we can get a whole number. That's why I have taken C is equal to minus 40. We can even take 30 multiples of 5. Even 5 also can be taken. No problem for that particular thing. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, anything. Any multiple of 5. So I have taken it as minus 40 because I want a negative value. Fahrenheit equals to 9 upon 5 into minus 40 plus 32. 5 will go into minus 40 as minus 8. 9 into minus 8 will give you minus 72. Minus 72 plus 32 will give you minus 40. So when C means Celsius is minus 40, Fahrenheit also comes out to be minus 40. Tabulate both the value and draw the graph. On the graph, I have taken axis as 1 unit on both x and y axis as 8. 8 Celsius on x axis and on y it is 8 Fahrenheit. 1, 2, 3 I have not taken since it is up to 32 and 40. It will be very long on the graph paper. So to shorten it, I have taken the multiples of 8 on both the axes x and y, positive and negative. 8, minus 8, minus 60, minus 24, minus 32, minus 40 and minus 48. And plot out the points 0, 32, 0, 32, 0 x-axis and 32 positive y-axis. It will be this point. Minus 40, minus 40, minus 40 of x and minus 40 of y. It will be this point. Joining these 2 points, you will get a line, and that will be the line for the linear equation in two variables, where variable terms are C and F for the Celsius and Fahrenheit. Further, the second and third. Part second of question number A. If the temperature is 30 degree, find the value of Fahrenheit. Temperature in Fahrenheit. So let us substitute the value of C equals to 30 as we find out the solution. So 9 upon 5 into C plus 32. In place of C, we will substitute 30 degree. So 9 upon 5 into 30. 5 will go in 36. So 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 32 will give you 86 degree. So when the value of Celsius is 30 degree, the Fahrenheit value will come out to be 86 degree Fahrenheit. Now temperature will be 86 degree Fahrenheit. Question second and fourth, third and fourth, you have to do on yourself, because that is the same. You have to go substitute the value. In question number third, you have to substitute the value for F. And in question number 4, first take C equals to 0 and find the value of F. And in the next time, take F equals to 0 and correspondingly find the value of C. Here I have gone for the fifth one, in which they have asked, is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? Whether it is any particular value is such where both F and C comes out to be equal. For this, let us take F equals to C. Means if both are equal, then either of the one can be substituted for another, or you can take C equals to F, one and the same. So in this particular equation, I have taken, in place of Fahrenheit, I have taken C, because both are equal. So F equals to C. C equals to 9C upon 5 plus 32. Take LCM, 5 will go here. 5C equals to 9C plus 160. Solving this, I got minus 4C equals to 160. C comes out to be minus 40. If C is minus 40 and C is equal to F, then F is also minus 40. So minus 40 is that numerical value which is same for both Fahrenheit and Celsius. So I hope you understood complete question number 7 graph, and in 8 complete sub question 3rd and 4th. Then please send the work on my personal number. So exercise 4.4 will complete in next video. Thank you.